another dollar. Today is Sunday, August 30th, and these are the top 5 things to know. Kicking it off with number 1, the August employment report due on Friday morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time will be the highlight of the week on the economic calendar. We're expecting the U.S. economy to have created 1.4 million jobs last month, slowing from an increase of 1.7 million jobs in July. The unemployment rate, meanwhile, is forecast to fall from 10.2% to 9.8%. On to number 2. Besides the jobs report, the ISM PMI for the manufacturing sector due on Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time will also be in focus. The survey is expected to rise to 54.5 in August from 54.2 in July. If confirmed, that would be the best number since April 2019. On to number 3. In addition to the manufacturing PMI, we'll also be watching Thursday's ISM Services PMI for fresh insight into the health of the sector. The survey is expected to fall to a reading of 57 in August from 58.1 in July, as a number of states reimposed restrictions in a response to a renewed surge in coronavirus cases. As always, you can track the data releases in real time on Investing.com's economic calendar. On to number 4. On the central bank front, market players will also pay close attention to comments from a number of Fed speakers for further clarity on the new policy to target inflation at around 2%. Topping the agenda will be remarks from Fed Vice Chair Richard Clarida on Monday morning at 9:10 a.m. Eastern Time. He's likely to reiterate Chairman Jay Powell's Jackson Hole message from last week that the Fed will be willing to let inflation run hot temporarily to help boost the economy and the recovery in the jobs market. Also in focus this week will be speeches from New York Fed President John Williams and Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester. And finally, number 5 in earnings. This week will also feature the last batch of Q2 earnings reports as the earnings season on Wall Street winds down. Zoom Video Communications, which releases earnings on Monday afternoon after the closing bell, will attract most of the attention. Analysts on average are expecting a huge surge in profitability due to strong growth in app downloads and users amid the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. The video conferencing company has seen its shares spike by around 340% since the start of the year. So we'll be watching closely to see if there's further bullish catalysts in that report in order to drive more gains. Some of the other notable names reporting results this week, including struggling department store chain Macy's on Tuesday, and semiconductor and software company Broadcom, which reports on Thursday. Head over to Investing.com's earnings calendar to stay up to date with the latest releases. That's it for me for today. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good week, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.